Well, there were two letters that we are putting up on air, and those two letters are basically one, the suspension order of Kiranmoy Nanda, the national vice president of the Samajwadi Party, and other was a very famous edit minutes. When the minutes of meeting were actually announced by that particular national executive meet that was convened by Akhilesh Yadav. So these are the two letters. Now, going by the signatures on both of them, both the signatures look very different. On the letter pad in which the suspension order was issued, it bears the original signature of Mulayam Singh Yadav. We are not verifying the signature, but what we are saying is that in most of the documents that come from Mulayam Singh Yadav office, the signatures are pretty much identical to what we see on that particular suspension order of Kiranmoy Nanda. But on the other side, that edit minute, that letter that was given out by Shipal Yadav to the media, in fact, he had tweeted it after that particular meeting. It is not even on the letterpad of Mulayam Singh Yadav, the national president. So the doubts were raised back then also, but today when we see both the signatures and when we actually go deep into it, it seems that the signature on the other letterpad, on the other letter, the edit meets letter, is entirely different from the signature that is there on the suspension order of Kiranmoy Nanda, and it raises serious doubts because remember, on that national executive meet that was convened by Ram Gopal Yadav and Akhilesh Yadav had in his address said that people actually used to come to Mulayam Singh Yadav with typewriters, quote unquote, and he said, and I quote, that they used to get anything signed from Mulayam Singh Yadav, they type anything and they get it signed and pass orders, which also includes the order to expel me from the party. So this becomes very important because Akhilesh Yadav had raised doubts over it, and now that we go into the two letters and we actually see the signatures different, it sort of puts signature on that particular fact that, or that particular doubt that Akhilesh Yadav had raised that particular day.